Hey, we're Chris and Megan McKenzie from Sit Means Sit Tampa. Go ahead, tell them why you love KennelSol.
I like KennelSol because since starting to use the product, we haven't had any outbreaks of any upper respiratory kennel cough. One dog comes in sick, and it transfers very quickly if you don't have a quality product to disinfect properly. And I think also, too, that it doesn't smell like we're trying to hide or doctor pet smells with a product. It just overall smells clean.
Right. It does what it says it's going to do. And we don't ever have to question that. We know that when we grab KennelSol, that it's going to clean our surfaces the way that we need them to. And our building, if we schedule it right, we can fit about 25 dogs in our building, and everybody comes in and tells us how it doesn't smell like a dog or pet facility. It just smells clean.
If we have different surfaces that we can use it on, from our tabletops to our floors to our furniture in our consultation room, we don't have to worry about it leaving a grime like previous products have.
It's just simple to use. Especially with the way that we purchase it in the 5-gallon buckets, we get the pump that goes along with it and go, okay, that fills a gallon.
When it's easy for them to properly dilute it, they're not overusing product.
Right.
And that's been something in the past that we've struggled with, is the overuse.
That it's such a simple product and it does absolutely what it says it's going to do.